Struggling to find callouts in Word? They're hidden under shapes. Watch this quick guide to insert them in seconds. So you're working on a document and you want to add one of those neat little visual callouts. You know, the kind that look like a speech bubble or a side note pointing to something important. And you're thinking there has to be a way to do this in Word. And you're right. The feature is there, it's just tucked away in a spot most people don't think to look. We'll start by clicking Insert, then Shapes, then pick your callout. 3 simple steps. Alright, let's get into it. Fire up your document and look at the very top of your Word window. See that ribbon of tabs? You want to click on the one that says Insert. It's usually right between Home and Design. Now this is the command center for just about anything extra you want to add to your document. Pictures, tables, headers, and yes, shapes. And here's the thing. Most people skip right past this tab when they're looking for something like a callout because they think of it as just for basic shapes or clip art. But trust me, this is where the magic starts. So go ahead and click Insert at the top of the window. Now from this Insert menu, you're going to look for the Illustrations group. It's a section with a few different icons, and you want to click on the one that says Shapes. It looks like a little overlapping circle and square. Click that. Now this is the moment where a lot of people give up. They click Shapes and they see this huge drop-down menu full of lines, rectangles, arrows, stars. It can be a little overwhelming. But don't click away. Don't scroll past too fast. Take a deep breath and start scrolling down. You'll go past the flowcharts, past the stars and banners, and eventually you'll hit a section near the very bottom of that list. It's labeled Callouts. And there they are. That's the treasure you were looking for. You'll see a bunch of different styles. Some look like speech bubbles with the pointer coming from the bottom left, some from the bottom right, some from the left side. There are even a few that look like lines with a box at the end. Just pick the one that feels right for your document. If you're calling out a specific spot on a diagram, you'll probably want one with a directional pointer. If you're just adding a comment next to a paragraph, a standard side callout works great. Go ahead and click on the style you want. Your cursor will change into a little crosshair. Now click and drag on your document where you want the callout to appear. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. You can always move it or resize it later by clicking and dragging the edges. Now pay close attention to this. Once the callout is on your page, you'll see a little yellow dot attached to the tip of the pointer. That's your best friend. You can click and drag that yellow dot to move the pointer exactly where you want it to point. It snaps right to whatever you're annotating. And then, just click inside the bubble and start typing your text. And that's really all there is to it. From not being able to find callouts at all, to placing one exactly where you need it in under a minute. Go ahead and try it on your next report or presentation. You'll look like a pro. Thanks for watching.